Hey folks, Rod here with some quick tips for optimizing your search on Google. As you can see, we are here on Google and we have two different search bars. One at the top is the URL bar, which means Universal Resource Locator. It finds and goes to specific locations and specific addresses such as google.com, youtube.com, or facebook.com. The one in the middle is also a search bar. It goes and searches the entire web. Now let's look at 3 tips that will help you optimize your searches on Google. Tip number 1 is something you use when you're searching for an exact phrase. For example, I don't remember the words of my favorite book, but I do have a quote in mind. So I type the quote in the search bar. That is the question. Hit enter. And there is what I was trying to remember. It's from Hamlet. To be or not to be, that is the question. Use tip number 2 when you're looking for an alternative program or service, like an alternative to Uber. To make that happen, return to your search bar, type the word related with a colon and the words Uber.com. Hit enter. And there you have it. Alternatives to Uber, Lyft, Airbnb, Taxi Fare Finder, etc. Use tip 3 when you hear a word or phrase and you don't know what it means. To find out what it means, return to your search bar, put in the word define, colon, and then the phrase. Our phrase was tough cookie. Hit enter, and there's your definition. Tough cookie is what you say to describe people who are unemotional, not hurt by what folks say. Want more tips? Go to Burn to Learn.